Robotics VRC middle school team located in Tustin, California.
So here at Legacy Magnet Academy, one of our core principles is an acronym called TIDE, which stands for Technology, Innovation, Design, and Entrepreneurship. These 4 principles tie back into what we do in robotics, which is one of the things that makes our journey so different and unique.
CAD stands for Computer Aided Design and helps us create a prototype before we build our final robot. And we are one of the only organizations that utilizes this skill.
We CAD on a free program called Onshape, where we start with 2D CAD where we can map out the dimensions of our robot in a simple 2D geometry. Then we move on to 3D CAD where we can use actual VEX parts to create our robot and get the exact parts we need so we know where to put them when we start the real build.
After we are done with the CAD, we then move on to the build phase. Later, if we want to change our design, we can refer back to the CAD to help us reiterate.
With CAD, we have a step-by-step instruction on how to build our robot. And we are not only focusing on competing, we also have 2 new members this year who we are teaching how to CAD.
Another unique aspect for our robotics team is our programming. We code in a language called C++ and on an app called Visual Studio Code. The unique aspect in our code is an algorithm that we use in Autonomous. That algorithm is PID, which stands for Proportional, Integral, and Derivative. Simply put, PID takes the position data from the drivetrain motors and the inertial sensor and uses it as feedback to get where we want to go as accurately and efficiently as possible. This helps our autonomous routines to be very precise, so we don't have to rely on luck for them to happen, since we know they're always going to work because of their consistency.
Using these 2 methods, we have a competitive edge against our opponents.
VEX prepares you for the future because it offers some of the most crucial and important life lessons you could ever offer, such as collaboration and teamwork, where in VEX you have to actually work with a team and do any means necessary to solve problems, as well as problem solving, where we use the engineering design process to solve any problems that we come across of. And all of these things will help us and me in the future when we actually need to get our own jobs. Even if you want to be an engineer or a scientist, you have to work with a team and you have to solve problems in some way.